Hello there. So today I'm going to show you how to use Dynamic API plugin. So in Dynamic API plugin, you will be able to create REST API requests, which are get, post, put, delete, etc. So I'll go to this demo. So here there are four inputs given, and first is the request URL. This is the endpoint of the API. Then this is the get, post, patch, delete. These are all the methods of the endpoint. Then the header and the body. So I have this website here called Dummy JSON where I have dummy APIs that I can test right now. So for get request, I'll use this dummy API. So I'll copy the endpoint, then I'll paste it here, and then I'll choose get. You don't need header or body for this. So I'll do an initiate request, and you can see I got the response with the get all products. So these are all the responses that I got. Now what I'll do is I'll do a post request. So I'll go down to see the post request. So this is add a new product. For that I'll copy the endpoint and I'll paste it here. Then I'll copy the header and I'll choose this request as post. Then I'll paste the header here and I'll replace the single quotes with double quotes. And what you have to know is here in header, you don't you have to give the values in this format, which is key value pair. And if there are multiple key value pairs, separate them by comma and add more key value pairs like this. Add more and comma more like that. So I only have one key value pair, so I'll put this here. Then in body, you need the title. So in body, it follows the same principle, which is key value pair, and for multiple, separate them by comma. And key value pair should be surrounded by double quotes. Then I'll click on the button. You can see the title BMW Pencil. So I got the response of the post request. Then comes the put request, which is update. So here is the update one where it will change to put, and you can put a different title here. So I just have to change this add to 1, and I'll change this to put. Then this will be pencil 2. Then I'll click on, but you can see ID 1 pencil 2 title, and these are all other information that I got in the response. So that's the put request. Then comes the delete. So here in delete, the method is delete and there is no body or header. So I'll change this to delete and I'll remove these. Now I'll click on this button. You can see the product is deleted. So as you can see, it's working now. Now I'll show you what's happening behind the scenes, which action am I using. So in workflow, there is a action called dynamic API request, which has four fields, which is API endpoint, method, headers, and body. So I already explained you all this in the demo page. So yeah, this is how you use Dynamic API plugin. Thank you.